Today on this Stay-at-Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make the ultimate loaded baked potato. Get ready to sink your teeth into a potato that's packed with flavor, with cheesy goodness, bacony, sour cream, and green onions. This recipe is easy to make, so grab your ingredients and let's get started. First thing first, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This high heat is going to give us a crispy exterior and a fluffy interior. Then let's talk potatoes. Russet potatoes are ideal for baked potatoes because of their starchy texture. They're the perfect vessel for all your favorite toppings. They're very neutral, so they work great for anything. They also have a neutral flavor, which allows those toppings to shine. Take that potato and give it a good scrub because, they are grown in dirt. Then poke that potato 8 to 10 times all over the potato, which is going to allow the steam to escape and give us that perfect texture. And who knows, maybe you'll even release some of your own stress. Next, we're going to give those potatoes a little love by rubbing a little bit of oil on them and then sprinkle them with salt. Rub that into the skin. This will add extra flavor and help the skin get crispy, and who says a potato doesn't need to be pampered? Now it's time to wrap each potato tightly in aluminum foil. This is going to keep all the flavors in and help them cook evenly. Place your wrapped potatoes on a baking sheet to catch any juice that may leak out. Then you're going to pop those in the oven for 1 hour or until they are soft and tender. I know larger potatoes need longer time. They have finished cooking and they're perfectly tender. I can tell because using an oven mitt so I don't burn myself, I give it a little squeeze and feel that they are tender. Now we get to make it loaded and delicious. Carefully unwrap each of your potatoes. Then you can either slice it in half or just cut a little bit off the top, which is what I'm doing here. Give that some grid cuts into the flesh there so the butter and stuff can soak into it. Then using a couple pats of butter, add that right into the potato and those crevices. Then pile on the cheese, the bacon, be generous. Add a dollop of sour cream, green onions or chives. And if you're feeling extra adventurous, you can add on any additional toppings that you'd like. We have suggestions over on our website. Don't forget to season that with a little bit of salt and pepper, and then you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.